Hi, this is Romal, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team. I'm excited to welcome you all to our newest listing, 4050 Concession 6 Road in Kendall. Can't wait for you to check it out. Come explore the inside of the house where you will find 5 generous bedrooms with 3 washrooms and a lot of living space. Welcome to the backyard. This amazing 14 plus acres property on top of the hill gives you panoramic views from all around, surrounded by cornfields. It gives you the best of country living with a lot of privacy. This amazing property offers you multiple open lands for amazing outdoor activities and 2 oversized barns. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you like the house you saw and are interested, call the number on the screen to book your own private showing. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to keep in the know for all our future listings. This is 4050 Concession 6 Road in Kendall. I'm Romel, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team.